Hello everyone, welcome to MoonMind Art School. I am Charu, an art instructor. Elevate your art skills with my comprehensive online art classes. Visit the website for professional fine art courses and more information. Let's get started with class 2 of our watercolor painting course, paint swatching. Color swatching is crucial for understanding the true nature of your paints. It helps you to see how each color looks on paper, blends with water as well as with other colors. Begin by cutting a piece of watercolor paper to a manageable size. Next, use a pencil and ruler to draw 12 evenly spaced boxes. Now let's start with yellow color. Using a round synthetic brush, apply the paint directly to the first box. Notice the vibrant hue as it settles on the paper. Next, wash your brush and with the empty brush, gently blend the yellow paint. Allow it to bleed towards the end of the box. This technique will give you a good sense of the colors gradient. Repeat this process for all 12 boxes, each time with a different watercolor paint from your set. Remember, you can use paints directly from pans or tubes. If you are using tubes, you can also just fill the paints into the small pans, store them, and activate with a few drops of water when needed. Finally, store your swatched card in your watercolor paint set container or separately swatched in your sketchbook. Label each color with name. Eventually, you won't need to remember the names. You will recognize them by sight. Thank you for joining me in this watercolor journey. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Happy painting and see you in the next class.